Hello everyone, I'm Myron Smith. I'm making this video to explain what I hope to accomplish through Introduction to Innovation and Venture Creation. This course at VCU's Da Vinci Center introduces topics associated with entrepreneurship. I'm a transfer student from Patrick Henry Community College from Martinsville, Virginia. I'm perhaps best known for co-directing Youngblood Evil Intentions and as host of the web series Animation Treasures. In 2016, I founded the Virginia Sweeted Film Festival. At the festival, we screen fast-paced, low-budget remakes of movies that are embedded in popular culture. In addition to these creative endeavors, I also photograph and film weddings, concerts, and other events. I would like to start my own film production company, creating both documentary and narrative films. I applied for the Venture Creation Program because I'd like assistance and advice for creating my own business. The art of filmmaking relies heavily on financial support. I'd specifically like to learn how to apply for grants and other funding. I would also like to explore various business models and weigh out the pros and cons of each option. I am majoring in photography and film with a concentration in film. I'm currently enrolled in digital imaging, moving pixels, film as material, film history, and this class. One thing I love about film is there are endless possibilities for collaboration. Making a movie requires talents from many different fields. For example, cinematographers, writers, actors, and sound design. To make it interesting, you'll need costuming, set design, prop design, and music. A more elaborate production may include choreography, special effects makeup, or animation. There are also skills necessary that are not directly associated with the production itself: legal aid, marketing, and graphic design. Also, a filmmaker can be a great asset to many of these same fields of interest. For example, a musician may wish to work with a director to create a music video, or a business owner may wish to advertise their services. I look forward to collaborating with fellow students at VCU and finding out how we can benefit each other. See you soon!